Hello and welcome to this module on an introduction to biorisk management. Today we will be demonstrating to you on the usage of the PAPR. This is a Powered Air Purified Respirator which is designated as a PAPR. The PAPR consists of a helmet which is mounted with a filter which will filter out most pathogens. It also has a shroud and it is a self-contained unit. Now the way in which this functions is that the air is pulled in through this side, it passes through this filter and a fan will create a downdraft on your face. Now these respirators need to be powered by a battery pack, so I will demonstrate the usage of this to you. So the first step involves wearing a belt. This is the belt. You need to adjust this belt because once it's inside your Tyvek suit, you will no longer have access to this module or this belt module. The second one is you need to know about is this battery. This is a battery, so please ensure that your battery is recharged prior to each laboratory experiment. Okay, I'm going to fit this on my belt. Now if you notice, the MaxAir has a shroud. Okay, this shroud can be recycled by basically we decontaminate this, but it's also recommended in case of a spill you need to replace this with another shroud. This is the wire, and if you look inside you will see an adjustment for the headband. Okay. So once you have worn your Tyvek suit, you have to wear this like this. Okay. So please ensure that you have fitted your power or else you will suffocate. So I'm going to turn on the power. Okay, now the power is on, and when the power is on you will see 3 lights here which is indicating power up. So this battery will last for around 6 hours, after which you will have to recharge this battery. Okay, so I'm going to wear this now. So we wear the first element, which is the shroud. Okay, so okay, I've mounted this. You can see how it's going. So that's how it looks all around. And then all you need to do is tie this front end. Tie it loosely. And then you're done. So this is the basic setup for the shroud. But you want to take it off, move it this way, take it off, and you keep it running until it's off, and then you disconnect the battery. Okay, generally after every biosafety procedure, this helmet will be decontaminated using a surface decon, and in some cases we will change the shroud. And after completion of your procedure, please ensure that your battery is charged. Okay, that's a brief introduction to the MaxAir system which we use. It's a Powered Air Purified Respirator. Thank you very much for watching.